Gold and silver started of the week again on a strongly bullish note. It appears a percent or two rise every day has become a norm for gold and silver. It appears to be on mission. Can we expect $4,000 levels in gold today? Or the highs are done and wait for a reversal. What about silver? We have seen a struggle at 48.60 here. And look at oil and gas. Both have started off again on a bullish note where gas is seen moving towards 3.7 and oil is again back to 61.6 levels. What to expect today from oil and gas, gold and silver? We're gonna see here in this single update. With the help of charts and indicators, we're gonna arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade with profits. Subscribe, press the bell icon. This is the first update. Do watch the second update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Lastly, crude oil and natural gas. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly chart, see 3900 was the resistance here. It has breached past 3900 and trading well above 3900 mark. Appears to be another rally here. And look at the support it is created at 3880 and 3900. These two levels are going to remain crucial for any kind of bearishness in gold prices. As long as it respects 3900 and 3280 mark, we should be careful with the sells here. Right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. If you look at the hourly charts as well, see since here it is trading bullish looking upwards, and in fact even if you now see gold trading below 33 39 24 25 and 39 18 20 mark, I think that is the point of time we can expect slight bearishness towards 3910 3900. And as and how it moves far from 3900 mark, far below 3900 mark, the bearishness is going to increase. But right now it is trading bullish. And what are the highs it is looking at? Now, first key milestone for gold to trade beyond is 39.36. If at all it trades beyond 39.36, which appears to be quite easy for it right now, trading at 39.34. And beyond this, you can expect 39.42, 44, the next milestone. Now, this complete zone between 39.36 and 44 is what you should watch out for. This is going to be a critical zone here because once it trades beyond 39.44, stay bullish for 39.60 mark here. And then it may try to move towards the critical number at 4,000 very soon. See the stochastic getting overbought, the MACD is overbought, nothing is overbought, more buyers are pitching in here. RSI overbought, things are getting extremely overbought here, but gold is not giving any signs of weakness as of now. Look at 2-hour chart, similar observations, straight bullish candles. Right from 38.40 we have seen it moving now towards 39.14 in quick succession, and see it is also breached past. This was the consolidation zone. It has come out of this. It appears to be beginning of another round of rally here. Also notice the Bollinger Bands which were narrowed here now are expanding, and these are expanding downsides as well, which keeps the downside wide open as well for gold. See here, when it was Bollinger Bands have narrowed, it is flattened here. It has not shown a down move, but now it is showing a down move here as well. And hence we have to watch out with caution till 39.44 levels. How it behaves there till 39.44, we have to watch out. Beyond this, certainly it is going to rally high again. Look at the higher highs, higher lows it is creating, certainly staying extremely bullish. The stochastic entering into overbought zone. The MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. And see the waves here. I will definitely watch out how it behaves here, because see these are the twin tops, and from these levels it shows a possible reversal. But by that time it might be already trading at 3960 or 3980 or in fact 4000 levels. RSI getting overbought as well. On the 3-hour, similar observation here. Bollinger Bands got narrowed here, now expanding. Good bullish indication, but again my worry point is how, if see the bands are expanding here on the downside as well, and it is trading at the extremes, which is making me a bit worried. But remember, the indicators are not the leading indicators. These are all trailing indicators, which suggest that as and how the prices move up first, the indicators are going to move accordingly. And now see it is delivering higher highs here. So I'll wait for the next candle here, staying beyond 39, 36 and 44. Just stay bullish from there. Increasing body size is also seen since creating the base at 38.80. Stochastic extremely overbought, MACD just crossing over here. And remember, it is trading with divergence. It can deliver series of bullish candles from here. Imagine if it hits the top where the prices are going to be all the way towards 4,000. RSI getting overbought as well. On the 4-hour chart, the observation is similar here. Yes, since the consolidation, it is now giving a breakout, which is a good good bullish indication here. Again, the bands are also expanding here on the downside. The 20 period is sitting far below it around 38.70, and the 50 period is sitting far below it towards 38.20. Now for the day, any move below 3900, 3880 is the only sign of weakness, else it is not showing any signs of weakness. This is an exponential rise, appears to be delivering another rally here. Stochastic getting overbought, the MACD just crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI getting overbought as well. Coming to the daily, look at the daily charts here. Till here it was fine. The resistance till 3900 was strong. And also notice on the daily charts, since long now it has been trading with the support from the 5 period moving average. It has never tried to breach below 5 period, and this is no other exception today. Again, it is just seen taking support from 5 period and trying to bounce back. So now I'll wait for it to trade below this zone. I will wait for it to trade below 38.40, and that is the point of time only you can say now it is turning bearish, else there is no sign of bearishness. Look at the flat base here. A step is created, and I am just wondering, look at the body size here. It is increasing in nature, increasing bullishness here. But again, you have to wait for 39, 36 and 44 zone to be taken in order to confirm further breakout move. Stochastic getting overbought, MACD trading with divergence, and at the top RSI getting extremely overbought. So considering this now, what you should do, and before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 35th batch dates are announced. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to just trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a SAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now, yes, you can buy at 39.36 itself. Expect 39.42.44, and if at all it trades beyond 39.42.44, you can expect 39.58.60 mark here. Staying beyond 39.58.60, you can expect the next rise all the way towards 39.74, and then the critical milestone at 4,000 will appear, and it might rush towards this in a hurry and then create a base at 4,000 before showing another round of rally. Do watch the weekly review, and that we have discussed the talks in market are all about 5,000, 6,000, or in fact higher levels for gold in the near future, and hence we have to be trading with caution. I do not see a move beyond 4,000 at least today, so I'm not giving a level beyond this. In my weekly forecast we have mentioned the levels, though you can watch that. On the downside, I will recommend a sell at 33.28 levels, but then 33.18, 33.20, this is the mark it has to trade. This is the first, oh sorry, 39.28, expect 39.18, 39.20, and if this is taken, I will still say 39.10 and then 3900. Only and only if it trades below 3900, stay short further for 38.80 mark. Any drop below 38.80 is a clear sign of increasing bearishness towards 38.40 and then 3800 mark. Right now it is not showing any signs of weakness, so take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now silver on the hourly charts also, the 5 period is offering it a very good support, and now it has created a base at $48 levels. Now 48 and 47.50, this is the zone which silver has to trade below in order to confirm any kind of weakness today, else it is staying strong. It is looking upwards, trading bullish here. Moving average is trading with divergence, is staying bullish. All signs are in support of further rise, though you can see the stochastic overbought, the MACD at the top here, and it is not that silver cannot rise further, but yes, it is already has seen a good rise. RSI rising as well, and it has still scope for further rise. Look at 2-hour charts here, taking the support from the 5 period. It is trying to bounce back, and now it is very crucial for silver to trade below the 5 period moving average, that is 48.20, $48 zone. This is going to remain critical now for silver. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, all the signs are in support for further rise. On the 3-hour charts, increasing body size, increasing bullishness, looking upwards, making the support here at 48. It has shown this rise, and it appears it might deliver another breakout move which is going to take it all the way towards 49.20. Remember, the all-time highs, the record levels for silver are at 49.80, which it would like to achieve before showing any signs of weakness here. Notice also it has formed a good support at 46. So first rise retracement, second rise retracement. Now every time it is shown an extra dollar here 47 to 46, 48 to 46. So possibly 49 to 46 is possible. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. The RSI overbought as well. Look at 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, increasing body size, increasing bullishness here. It has created a good support now at 48, which it has to trade below in order to confirm any kind of weakness. And yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic overbought. MACD again crossing over for a buy. Supportive sign for further rise. RSI rising here. Coming to daily charts. On the daily charts, one point here to note, look at the preceding highs beautifully aligned here, which means at least till 48.80 levels you have to watch out. The chances of reversal will be high, while any move below 48 you have to be cautious here. It can take a good hit from those levels towards 47.50 and 47, and thus for the day you have to watch out the zone at 48. If at all it trades below 48, you can expect more bearishness from there. Stochastic overbought. MACD is at extremes on the daily charts. Vertical rise here all the way towards the highs. RSI extremely overbought. Things are getting extremely overbought here for silver. You should be cautious. So considering this, now what you should do, I will only now recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 48.80 levels. Expect it to move towards 49 15 and then 49.50, and then the record levels at 49.80 should appear. I think $5 or $50 levels is going to be a crucial number for silver to break beyond, because that will kick on another round of rally here in silver, which is going to take it all the way higher. You have to watch out how it behaves in between 48 to 50 zone. Very, very cautious here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 48.40 levels itself. When you see the higher prices below 48.40, expect 48.20 and then 48. Any drop below 48, any drop below 48 should take it all the way towards 47.50, and then in fact we will see it at 47. Below 47 stay short for 46 and lower levels, chances for which appears less looking at the move what it is showing right now. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. See, oil moving last week all the way towards 60.4, 60.2 zone. Yes, delivering lower highs, lower lows. It is trying to reverse and it is back to now the most critical resistance, first at 62, 62.2, then 62.6, and then 63, 63.3. Three levels it has to trade beyond. And yes, if you see it is staying beyond 63, 63.3, that should invite another round of rise here. What is happening here? The moving averages which are trading bearish now has started to converge, and it has formed a very good support at now 60.5. So that is the level below which you can expect slight bearishness. Else, as long as now 60.5 is not taken, you have to be cautious with the sells here. Stochastic getting overbought while the MACD and RSI both are rising, supportive for further bullishness. Look at 2 hour chart. See, after a while now the price is seen trading beyond 20 period. I will wait for the 50 period moving average to be taken as well, which means if at all it trades now beyond 62, yes, you can expect a little rise, but then I will say till 63, 63.3 is not taken, we have to be cautious with the buys as well. This could be just a retracement, not a complete reversal. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD hitting the bottom, crossed over, trading with divergence, supportive sign for further rise. RSI rising as well, again supportive for further bullishness. Look at 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, what's happening here? See, bearishness prevailing, now trying to break out. And in fact, even if you see it is staying above 61.8, you can buy for 62.2, 62.5, 62.6, 63. And if 63, 63.3 is taken, it should call for a complete reversal, which right now appears to be a difficult thing. Though I think that oil is getting oversold on the longer time frames, on the higher time frames, and hence a reversal has to be there soon. Stochastic getting overbought. The MACD hitting the bottom has just crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI rising as well. On the 4 hour charts, and similar observation here. See, it has created a very strong support now at 60.5. With that as support, it has given a gap up and now trying to break out. Yes, there are critical hurdles still towards 63, 63.3, and then in the near term 66 is anyways the biggest hurdle. It has to trade beyond in order to confirm any kind of reversal. Moving averages right now trading bearish. Stochastic getting overbought. See, MACD hitting the bottom, just crossed over, only 3 candles away. Possibly more rise can be seen from here. The RSI is supportive for further rise. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, notice series of bearish candles, double bottom, a reversal sign, first bullish candle. If it stays beyond 61.8, you can stay with the buys. We may see the second candle getting created here, where 63 could be there, and in fact from there it might be back on the reversal journey. Notice the moves here. See the first bigger drop, retracement, second drop, retracement, and see this retracement comes with lower lows and higher highs. So this is an expansion here. If you see the move here, 60.5 and then 66.4, so almost the median here is going to be somewhere between 63 64. This is the zone oil has to trade beyond. If at all it trades beyond 66 64, I think we are looking forward to further highs and complete reversal. Notice the bearishness getting diminished as well. So this in fact calls for a reversal, but I'll say 63 64 is the first hurdle and 66 is the next in the near term. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. The MACD is still bearish. Be watchful of this. RSI flat. So considering this, now remember I am still not confirming a complete reversal. 63 64 is what it has to trade beyond in order to confirm a complete reversal. What you can do today, I will recommend you to buy. In fact, if you see oil at 61.8, expect it to move towards 62.2, 62.6, 63, 63.3. Now once it trades beyond 63, we will see oil at 64 and staying above 64. It is going to be at 66 as well. Let's watch out if at all it tries to show such move. This is the most critical zone now for oil, and this was the zone earlier as well. While on the downside, I will recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 61 point 61.2 levels. Expect it to move towards 60.8 and then 60.5. Below 60.5, certainly you can say now 60 has to be there. This is the most critical zone, and then 59.3. Till 59.3 and 60 is not taken, the chances of reversal will be very, very, very high. Below 59.3, stay short for 57.8 levels very, very soon, and then 55 also has to be there. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural. See, natural gas after showing slight retracement has now again delivered an upward move, but you can see lower highs, lower lows. I'll wait for it to trade beyond 3.7 and then 3.7475. Two levels here. Remember, we are still staying bullish, but as I have mentioned this several times in my previous updates, till 2.97, you should not be treating natural gas as bearish. It has shown a slight retracement. Now it has to trade beyond 3.7475 in order to confirm another breakout here. Stochastic overbought here. The MACD since hitting the bottom, now trying to bounce back, trying to rise. Support is sign for further bullishness. RSI is also placed comfortably. Look at 2 hour charts. What's happening on 2 hour? On the 2 hour charts, likewise, see double top, drop here, support, then retracement, then drop, 50 period support here, trying to bounce back. So now very, very crucial for gas to breach beyond 3.7, 3.74 mark, which will confirm further up move here. Yes, it can deliver higher highs. In fact, I am looking forward to $4 zone in the month of October. Let's wait for it to give you the breakout move. Stochastic rising, MACD after a retracement trying to cross over support is sign for further rise. RSI rising as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you look, observation here is same. See, after the rise, we have seen a retracement taking the support, trying to break out, but it is very, very crucial for gas to trade beyond 3.7, 3.74 zone. The moving averages are trading with divergence. Stochastic rising here, the MACD since taking a hit here, trying to cross over for a buy. And see, this crossover on the previously has appeared at a higher levels, and it has got lot much of room on the downside available, and hence you have to watch out how it behaves at around 3.7, 3.74. Now a crossover here, this time in fact we are going to see 3.8 as well, if at all, even if it tries to form a double top before reversing. The RSI rising, supportive for further rise. Look at 4 hour charts, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to break out, trying to bounce back. Very, very crucial for gas to trade beyond 3.7, 3.75 zone here. Moving average is bullish, stochastic rising. The MACD, since showing a slight retracement, it has started to converge, but I'll still say there is still lot much of downside available. At best, it can form a double top. But remember, by the time it makes a double top, it is already going to be at 3.8 or in fact $4 zone. RSI rising here. Coming to daily charts, if you see the daily charts here, on the daily charts, look at the longer term moving, you can say, movement here, the drop, the retracement, the bigger drop, trying to retrace. We have discussed this several times that gas is trying to keep itself intact in this sideways bearish channel, possibly 3.8 or in fact 4 has to be there soon. And now October is the month where it may try to decide. Also with the onset of winter, the possible rise in demand for gas might kick in a little bullishness here. The moving average is crossed over, certainly good bullish indication. Also right now the price is seen taking support from the 5 period. Now this is clear that till now 3.6 and 3.5 zone is not taken. It's not yet confirming a reversal. Now see, this could become reversal sign if at all now gas trades below 3.6 and 3.5 zone. Then you can expect slight bearishness, but now the strongest support is at 3.2. And as long as 3.2 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bearish here. Stochastic has cooled down. The MACD is trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. The RSI is back to overbought zone as well. So now what you should do? Considering this, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 3.7, expect 3.7475 as the first target zone and 3.8 the next. Remember, it's staying above 3.8. We are aiming at 3.92 and $4 zone very soon in this week or possibly in this month itself. As in how it moves upwards, as in how it stays beyond 3.8, the possibility of 4 will be very strong. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell only if you see it is staying below 3.64 levels. Expect it to move towards 3.6, 3.56 and then 3.5. Only and only if you see gas trading below 3.5, stay short for 3.4 and then 3.2 levels very soon. Right now it is not showing such bearishness, but things are slightly getting yes, but I'll not say it is getting overbought, because on the higher time frames, the daily and weekly time frames, it has got lot much of room on the upside. But it is 4H and 3H time frames which are giving a little confusion about the drop here. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Was that as well. Thank you.